Good morning, everybody. This is Vic from USADPFclean.com from Bakersfield, California. What I got here behind me is a 2016 Freightliner Cascadia, which our technician is working on. The truck came in for a DPF issue, basically. It was going into D-rate. It was asking for regen all the time. So what we have done in the beginning is we have done a scan. I'll show you on the other side. But right now, the technician is trying to get his process done, getting a sensor removed, so we can put our patented special chemical into the system. Another thing we see at the behind there is our hydrogen producing gas, which brings 3,400 liters of hydrogen per hour rate into the after treatment system. And that will basically the hydrogen and the special chemical, which we're going to be inserting into the filters now. That will clean up the whole clogging which filters have. Let me show you the computer on the other side, please. So what we did here in the beginning is, as soon as the truck came in, first we do is a scan. We see how the truck is behaving at that time, what is the overall situation. So we do a scan, we check everything, and then we go from there. Like this truck here had issues, like I told you, on going into regen, D-rate, and all that. So I'm gonna, we'll catch up again after this process is complete. I'll show you the new readings, which will confirm how this truck looks after our process is complete. It is completely a non-invasive process, no open box, only hour and a half for the process and the regen. So about 2 to 3 hours total process. The filters will be clean, it'll be ready to go. What company recommends is, if you keep doing something like this every 6 months to 1 year time, this is more like a preventive service of your DPF system. You don't have to open the box, no time waste, and the truck will get back all its power, better fuel mileage, and no issues with the DPF system. I'm going to catch up back again, show you the end results. Thank you for joining USADPF.com. You can check our website for a lot of videos like this, and please call us to book your appointment. Thank you. Now, guys, we have completed the process on this 2016 Freightliner Cascadia of DPF cleaning. We have seen the system shows DPF load percentage only at 0% now. Complete process done in 2.5 to 3 hours maximum with the regen also. So actual process is 1.5 hours, and the regen whatever it takes. Again, amazing product, amazing technology, gets completed in a short period. No need to open the box. Like I said before, call us anytime, 1-833-546-4247, and the website is USADPFclean.com. Thank you, everybody.